It's also said how our innocent citizens are at times taken advantage of by individuals with destructive agenda. Sarapira mashuku buda chitogwa panguva ino atiri kuona kuti sinombotongogara kudanyira chiti ZANU-PF National Youth League Deputy Commissioner Comrade Kandisha speaks panguva ino vachiuya vachirabisha maclaims of a coup. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Anoenderera chiti, I saw someone's comment inquiring why 7 generals went to meet President Mnangagwa at his farm and not in offices. Well, the president is the commander in chief and he meets with his securocrats anytime he wants. The same is true with them meeting their CIC anytime. But is President ED farming in his office? Is he keeping Uncle Keto at the State House? No. So they went to the farm to see what the commander is doing in his personal capacity as a patriotic and responsible citizen of the nation. On Saturday, he gave to former Chief Justice Luke Malawa a complete agriculture package, a clear sign that he so much believes in farming, which also happens to be the backbone of our economy. The unsettled always panic when certain events occur. If he wants to issue orders, he can do so over the phone, summon them to his office, or instruct them during the high security briefings he holds with them periodically. Anyway, why did you question it when cabinet ministers visit Precabe farm and when MPs did the same? To share a bit with you, Precabe farm is a model worth studying and emulating by all agro-minded persons in this country. Pay a visit and you will never be the same again. Your approach to agriculture will change. The owner who happens to be the president of the Republic of Zimbabwe is not a cell phone farmer or an instructor. He is a doer who knows which plant was planted and when it was planted. No developments are happening. Pinakube section media of food able to live after page to page. So subscribe or like, watch on the bell icon.